What's up, y'all? I'm back again for another unboxing video. In this video, I will be unboxing some more Pokemon cards. So, in this one, I got these at Target. So, I'm gonna unbox these at Target. I just got one pack. It's the Sword and Shields Battle Styles. So, we got that's the pack right there. So, yeah, let's get into this. So, y'all leave a like on the video to let me know what's your favorite Pokemon cards. Leave it in the comments below. So, really been liking this little small journey I've been on with these cards so far. Get it in there. It's one pack. So, each one, you know, I'm learning a little more as I go. So, yeah. It's all good, y'all. It's all good, y'all. So, we're gonna pull these. Take that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that at the bottom. So the first one, oh wow, I pulled the wrong one, but you see what it is. You see what it is. So, okay. Pull the next one. Okay. Y'all let me know in the comments below what I get. And you know what I'm saying, if it's something good or not. Last 3. Give me something good, okay? And also, drop in the comments below which one you think is your favorite or which one you like the most. Last card was an energy. So, that's the end of this video. So, y'all let me know what other kind of packs y'all want me to unbox. So, I'm here. I'm ready. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we're out of here. Peace.